Greetings, coding enthusiasts. Krishna Sharma here from KREDICT and welcome to the 35th episode of our Enchanting JavaScript series. Today we are continuing our exploration of HTML attributes, delving into advanced methods to master their magic. So grab your coding vents, let the magic unfold and let's master the HTML attributes methods. So in this video we will see HTML methods. So expanding the arsenal of attribute methods in our mystical journey through JavaScript, understanding the arsenal of attribute method is crucial. Today we are expanding our magical repertoire, adding more spells to our coding arsenal to master the art of HTML attribute manipulation. So here we have some advanced example. So let's venture into the enchanted forest of example to witness the mastery of HTML attributes method in action. We will explore advanced methods like hash attribute, remove attribute and more, unlocking new dimensions of web enchantment. So this will very amazing. Let's see. Here we have this HTML structure. Let's make a index.html and copy this HTML structure and paste it here. First we will change the title. Here we have this title. Oh sorry, here don't have a title, just give a title here. Title HTML attribute, and here we have some style and we have this body. In the body we have this button, one button with id name change attribute button, and we have this div with id attribute container, and in the div we have this paragraph enchanted paragraph. So in this main part is data custom attribute. Here we have wonder and we have this script file. Just make this script file, and now we will copy this script tag now, and I will explain you what have is written in this. So in this you can see first the defaulted function we have to reload the page, then this whole function will perform. So first we have these three variables which we are taking by get element by id enchanted paragraph attribute container change attribute button, in which we are using this get element by id. I hope you are getting this. So next we have this change attribute button. In this we are adding a event listener. On click, when the click is performed, this function will execute. So in this function we have this const has attribute. We are using this enchanted paragraph as attribute. So here we are using has attribute. On the has attribute we will use this data custom attribute. So in the attribute container we will change the inner HTML using this does custom attribute exist. If this custom attribute will exist, then has attribute will show here. So here we will see true or false. I hope you are getting this. And next we have remove the attribute. Here enchanted paragraph will remove this custom attribute and display the removal attribute container dot inner HTML. So here we will add a inner HTML to attribute container. I hope you are getting this. Let's see by playing this HTML. So now we have this original paragraph with magical attribute. So if I click this, then the magic will begin. So if I click this, so does data attribute exist? It is true. Attribute remove null. So we all know the data custom attribute is exist. So this is giving our true and attribute removed, so null. I hope you are getting this. If I reload this page, then the defaulted function is executed. So I hope you are getting this. Let's move to next. So unlocking advanced attribute magic. Behold, as we unlock advanced attribute magic, With methods like has attribute and remove attribute, this spell allows us to check if an attribute exists and gracefully remove it, adding fitness to our web enchantment. Using attribute method wisely. As we expand our magical repertoire, it's crucial to use attribute method wisely. Each method has its purpose and understanding when to use them enhance our coding journey. Let's explore this wisdom in our examples. That concludes our mastery of HTML attribute method. Whether you are checking, removing, or exploring the depth of attribute magic, understanding this method elevate your coding craft. If you found this video spellbinding, don't forget to hit thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. In our next episode, we will continue our journey through JavaScript, unlocking more secrets and mastery the art of web enchantment. Until then, may your methods be masterful and your attribute be precise, and happy coding.